Hey everybody, my name is McClintock, and today I would like to teach you how to play Triste. So we're going to open up on A major 7, and that's going to go to an F major 7, sharp 11, over A. We're going to go back down to the A major 7, and then come up to this really nice A minor 9, to a D6 9 over A. So all of that's got the open A string going on. And then we're going to go into the A section of the song, which is an A major 7, going to an A6, and then coming down to an F major 7, sharp 11 for 2 measures. And then I'm going to go back to the open A major 7 for 2 measures. And then we're going to come up to a C sharp minor 7, and then to an F sharp 7 with a flat 13 and a flat 9. And then I'm going to take off my pinky to make it just an F sharp 7 flat 13. And then we have a B minor 7, a B minor 7 over A, a G sharp diminished, and then a C sharp 7 over G sharp. And then that's going to come down to an F sharp minor 7. And then I'm going to come up to a G sharp 7 with a flat 13, and then to just a G sharp 7. And then we have a C sharp major 9, going to a G sharp 13, taking off the pinky and making it just a G sharp 7, and then back to C sharp major 9, F sharp 7, B minor 7, to an E 7. And now for the B section, we go back to the open position, A major 7 for 2 measures. And then I'm going to come back up to this nice A minor 9, and then I'm going to play the D6 9 over A. I'm going to come back down to the A major 7, 2 measures. And then we're going to play a G over A, and then an A13 with a flat 9. And then I'm going to go to a D major 7, a G9 with a D in the bass, a C sharp minor 7, going to a C diminished, a B minor 7, an E7 flat 9, and then for the little vamp, we have an A minor 9 to a D6 9 over A, back to A minor 9, D6 9 over A, do it again, A minor 9, D6 9 over A, one more time, A minor 9, and a D6 9 over A. Nice and slow, it should sound like this. If this lesson's been helpful to you in any way, please consider giving me a like and subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate it.